In 1954, this farm became a family legacy. Once a working dairy where weekends meet hayfields, horseback rides, and mountain sunsets. Today it's Cumberland Lodge, a 12-acre horse farm with a custom 2-bed, 3-bath home with attached stables. Built in 2015 by a family whose love for horses spans generations. This home is deeply authentic and reflects the character and lifestyle that you'd be living here. Now this farm is ready for its next chapter, yours. Cumberland Lodge, a place where heritage, horses, and home come together.